Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. The domestic equity market is expected to open slightly lower, influenced by cautionary remarks from the US Fed Reserve Chair regarding the ongoing trade war. Concerns include rising inflation, slowing economic growth, increasing unemployment, and the possibility of a delayed interest rate cut. These factors led to a sharp decline of up to 3% in the US markets, with the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite taking the biggest hit. To start with our first segment for Thursday, 17th April 2025, Nifty Index opened positive, and after a drop to 23,273, it witnessed a pullback in the first couple of hours, which was followed by some consolidation. The second half of the session witnessed a smart comeback of the bulls and drove the index to 23,450 to finally close at its higher band with gains of around 100 points. It formed a bullish candle with longer lower wick and has been making higher lows from the last 5 trading sessions. India VIX was down by around 1.6% to 15.9 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.98. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,900 to 23,900, while immediate range is in between 23,200 to 23,600 levels. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 3,936 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 2,513 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 28.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 23,350 for the next up move towards 23,750, while supports have shifted higher to 23,250 mark. Bank Nifty has to hold above 52,750 for the next up move towards 54,000 levels, while support can be seen at 52,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Axis Bank, Bank of Baroda, RBL Bank, Indian Hotel, Dixon, HDFC Life, Bharti Airtel, Indian Bank and Havells. While some weakness could continue in Maruti, TCS, Titus Life, Glenmark and Volta. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.